Diets are everywhere. From the bustling streets of New York to the serene countryside of France, people are passionate about what they eat. Food isn't just sustenance. It's a way of life, a statement, and sometimes a battleground. Some folks swear by bacon, others by broccoli. It's a debate as old as time, with each side claiming their way is the best path to health and happiness. It's a culinary clash of titans. On one side, we have the meat lovers who believe that animal protein is the key to strength and vitality. On the other, the plant enthusiasts who argue that a diet rich in fruits and vegetables is the secret to longevity and well-being. But who's right? Can we eat our way to health and happiness? Let's dig in. Today, we're diving deep into the world of diets to explore the benefits and challenges of two popular eating styles, carnivore and plant-based. The carnivore diet focuses on meat, fish, and animal products, while the plant-based diet emphasizes fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. In this corner, we have Team Carnivore, all about that meaty goodness. They believe that a diet rich in animal products provides essential nutrients that are hard to find elsewhere. And in the other corner, Team Plant Power, fueled by the Earth's bounty. They argue that a plant-based diet is not only healthier, but also more sustainable for the planet. But wait, we have a special guest to help us judge this epic food fight. Someone who knows a thing or two about strength, health, and determination. Please welcome the one, the only, Donald the Rockmaster. Known for his incredible physique and dedication to fitness, The Rock is here to weigh in on this delicious debate. Will he side with the meat lovers or the plant enthusiasts? Stay tuned to find out. As we embark on this journey, we'll explore the science behind these diets, hear from experts, and see how they impact real people's lives. Whether you're a die-hard carnivore, a passionate plant eater, or somewhere in between, this showdown promises to be both informative and entertaining. Food is more than just fuel, it's a source of joy, connection, and culture. So grab your favorite snack, sit back, and join us as we delve into the delicious world of diets. Who will come out on top in this epic food fight? Let's find out together. Before we continue, I'm curious. Have you ever experienced any benefits from a carnivore diet? If so, please share your story in the comments to inspire others. Let's support each other as a community. Can't wait to hear from you. From the sizzling sound of a steak on the grill to the vibrant colors of fresh produce, food has the power to bring people together and spark lively debates. So whether you're Team Carnivore, Team Plant Power, or just a curious foodie, this is the place to be. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of diets, explore the benefits and challenges of each, and ultimately celebrate the diversity of food that makes our world so wonderfully delicious. The stage is set, the teams are ready, and the excitement is palpable. Who will win this culinary clash? Let's get started and find out. Team Carnivore, take the stage. Tell us, why is meat the king of the culinary jungle? Meat is packed with protein, they roar. It's the building block of muscles, and we all know The Rock loves muscles. Plus, they add, meat is a natural source of vitamins and minerals like iron and B12. You won't find that in a salad, the crowd murmurs. Is Team Carnivore right? Can plants really compete with the power of protein? Not so fast, Team Carnivore. Team Plant Power is stepping up to the plate, armed with leafy greens and a whole lot of spirit. Plants are bursting with fiber, they declare. Fiber keeps you feeling full and energized, not sluggish like a big steak. And don't forget antioxidants, they exclaim. These powerful plant compounds fight off disease and keep you looking young. The audience gasps. Could Team Plant Power be onto something? Are plants the real heroes of the dinner table? The tension is thicker than a bowl of oatmeal. To settle this debate, The Rock has a challenge. He'll be sampling a dish from each team and sharing his thoughts. Bring on the food, The Rock booms. I'm ready to put these diets to the test. Will The Rock be won over by the savory allure of meat, or will the vibrant flavors of plants steal the show? Let's find out. The moment has arrived. The Rock lifts the cover off the first dish, revealing a mountain of sizzling, juicy steak. The aroma fills the air, making everyone's stomachs rumble. The Rock takes a bite, chews thoughtfully, and then smiles. Now this is what I'm talking about, he exclaims. This steak is cooked to perfection, tender, flavorful, and satisfying. Team Carnivore erupts in cheers. Could this be the deciding factor? The Rock continues to savor the steak, describing the explosion of flavors with each bite. It's like a meteor shower of meaty goodness in my mouth, he declares. This is the kind of meal that fuels you up and gets you ready to take on the world. The audience laughs. The Rock's enthusiasm is contagious. But will he be as impressed by Team Plant Power's offering? Next, The Rock turns his attention to the second dish. He lifts the cover, revealing a colorful salad bursting with fresh vegetables, fruits, and a sprinkle of nuts. The vibrant colors of the tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers are complemented by the juicy sweetness of strawberries and blueberries. A handful of almonds and walnuts are scattered on top, adding a delightful crunch to the mix. He takes a hesitant bite, then another and another. At first, he seems unsure, but as the flavors meld together in his mouth, his expression begins to change. The crispness of the vegetables, the sweetness of the fruits, and the nutty crunch create a symphony of flavors that is both refreshing and satisfying. His eyes widen in surprise. It's clear that he wasn't expecting such a burst of flavor from a simple salad. The combination of textures and tastes is unlike anything he's experienced before. "Wow," he says, "this salad is packed with flavor." Each bite brings a new sensation, from the tangy dressing that ties everything together to the unexpected sweetness of the fruits. I can taste the freshness of the vegetables and the sweetness of the fruit. It's like a garden in a bowl, with each ingredient playing its part perfectly. And the nuts add a nice crunch. They provide a satisfying contrast to the softer textures of the vegetables and fruits, making each bite interesting and enjoyable. Team Plant Power beams with pride. They've managed to create a dish that not only looks beautiful but also tastes incredible. Their hard work and creativity have paid off, and it's clear that their plant-based creations can stand up to any culinary challenge. Could they be swaying The Rock towards a greener diet? With each bite, he seems more and more convinced that plant-based eating can be both delicious and satisfying. The team's enthusiasm and the incredible flavors of their dishes are making a strong case for a greener, healthier lifestyle. The Rock continues to devour the salad, impressed by its diverse flavors and textures. "This ain't no cheat meal, guys," he exclaims. "This salad is delicious and satisfying on its own. I could eat this every day and feel great." The audience roars with laughter and applause. The Rock seems genuinely impressed by both dishes. But which one will he choose? The moment of truth has arrived. The Rock leans back in his chair, contemplating the two delicious meals before him. Both dishes were incredible, he admits. The steak was a classic for a reason, and the salad was surprisingly delicious and refreshing. The tension in the room is palpable. Will he choose the meaty indulgence or the plant-based powerhouse? But you know what? This isn't just any ordinary food challenge. It's a celebration of flavors, cultures, and the diverse ways we nourish our bodies. The Rock continues, "I can't choose just one. How could I, when each diet offers something unique and valuable? Both diets have their merits, and the most important thing is to find what works best for you. Whether you're a meat lover or a plant enthusiast, there's a world of delicious and nutritious options out there." He flashes his trademark smile, a smile that says, "Let's enjoy this journey together." So, I'm leaving the final verdict up to you. What do you think? It's not just about choosing sides, it's about exploring, experimenting, and finding joy in what you eat. Team Carnivore or Team Plant Power? Each team has its own set of passionate supporters, each with compelling reasons for their choices. Let me know in the comments below. Share your thoughts, your favorite recipes, and your personal experiences. This is a community, and your voice matters. The audience erupts in cheers, eager to share their own dietary preferences. From mouth-watering steaks to vibrant salads, the possibilities are endless. The great food face-off has come to an end. But the conversation about healthy eating has just begun. Let's keep this dialogue going, exploring new foods and learning from each other. After all, food is more than just sustenance. It's a way to connect, to celebrate, and to thrive. So what's your take? Are you Team Carnivore, Team Plant Power, or somewhere in between? Join the conversation and let's make every meal an adventure.